Hello guys, good day. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's a baby girl Perpetual, aka Pepianacoco. So this is an early Saturday morning in Lagos. So I just woke up and heading to my mom's shop or coming out of the streets. I'm noticing the streets is under construction and they are breaking the gutters at the front of my mom's shop area, and like without any notice at all. This is Lagos, this is Nigeria. Like anybody could just wake up and start doing anything they want. Like this is the second time they're coming to the streets. The first time they came, broke the security house, removed the streets gates, then broke some front parts of the gutter. Then they left it for like over 3 weeks, because it was since I came back to Lagos, over 3 weeks, and they just came back today unannounced again, same as the first time they came, to come and continue the road construction that they left behind without informing people in the shop ahead of time, so they prepared themselves. Now this is some of the street gates that they removed earlier. You could sit down on the floor there, and this is people being surprised looking at what they are doing, because I don't know, at this point I feel my plans for today has been shattered, because initially I had planned today and things I wanted to do, but now I can't anymore. This is the opposite side of the streets. The people doing business around here are still kicking off with their business, because it's only the left hand side they started with, which is around our area. Then when they are done with the left hand side, they would move to the right hand side, and these irons on the floor are irons that are being brought out from the ground. So you can see this Malam person now pushing that should I call that wheelbarrow or stuff they used to pick irons and things on the floor. So they are the ones picking some of the irons from this stuff, so they would go sell it. There's a way they do it. They pack a lot, weigh it, and they sell it. So I got tired at a point and decided to walk to a local Yoruba joint where I buy pepper stew and rice. So I'm just going to go there, get the food, head back to my place, eat, and do all the necessary stuff I need to do, because I just can't keep staying there and keep watching them while the whole day is going. So yes, I've gotten to the shop where I want to get the rice. This is, I think I videoed this shop before in one of my videos when I came to Lagos the previous time. I love buying her rice and stew. Like, it's so sweet. Like, it gives you this kind of Yoruba pepper stew kind of vibe, and oh my god. So yeah.
Can't buy much rice. Oh yeah, take away how much?
I'm done getting the food, so I'm heading back to the house, and I heard Peter Obi is currently in Lagos at Apapa, and I really want to go see him if that's possible. Though my place is kind of far from Apapa, I'm heading back home with my brother. If it's possible for me to head there, I will, or if I can't, I'm just going to send you guys some clips from my friends. Like, I'm going to show you guys some clips that my friend sent. So this is how clean our environment is here. That's the main road, or not some streets. Most streets are very dirty, like some I just showed you guys. So like I said, I'm heading back to the house. If you've watched to this point, you are the real MVP. Please don't forget to hit that subscribe button, join this little family. I really do appreciate your support. And this is how we now sell stuff for our customers from the shop.
Let me go.
Since there is no way to go into the shop normally again, you would see how my brother passed through the gutter to get into the shop. This is Peter Obi visit to Lagos, and you can see how people are rejoicing and so happy he's around. Though I was seeing some news on the internet saying like people didn't show up, there was no crowd, blah blah blah, the whole thing is just fake, but like, you guys can literally see it from this video that people turned up for it. And by the way, this is Lagos, and Lagos is dominated with APC, you get, and we were not actually expecting this kind of crowd to come out based on it is dominated with APC, but people still came out to show support, show love. This rally was really a nice one for me, though I couldn't be here, but my friends came for it and they said it was so nice. It was so nice. So Peter Obi for the win.
Nobody cared what is happening. I've come here for campaign. When I was going for governor, I came to Alaba. When I became governor, I came to Alaba. I'm in Alaba today. I've come to Alaba as president.
Yeah guys, it's very late at night. Thank you guys for watching. I really do appreciate it. Please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. So about heading back to the house now. The street is still in construction. I think something happened to their truck, so they parked and might come back on Monday because today is Saturday, tomorrow is Sunday, so they might come back on Monday to continue the work. I'm going to show you guys around so for you guys to even see how they parked the truck. They even blocked the streets, like cars can't pass where the truck is into the street. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. I really do appreciate it.